Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and V8 engine. This from Edmunds.com. Powerful and unapologetically American, the Cadillac Escalade ESV is the big kahuna of the Escalade luxury SUV family. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.